Hey, if you are looking for the best Legacy Builders Program bonus, I have created something insane that you cannot find on YouTube or anywhere else on social media that can help you actually get a light speed result with the Legacy Builders Program. Now, by default, when you purchase the Legacy Builders Program, you get a 30-day like strategy growth plan. You get like marketing to your first million. You get faceless marketing. You get Canva crash course. You get a few things here by default. Now, what I have created a custom branding sales funnel and authority bridge system, that takes people actually from social media, not knowing you, to brand you. And I will do the selling and talking on your behalf on a webinar. This system will follow up with your lead. I have over 50 email follow-ups that follow ups with your leads for about 3 to 4 months. Those are very high converting. Not only that, I also teach you on Zoom my exclusive SEO strategy that has earned me over 6 figures online. I am also allowing you to give the whole system plus all the bonuses to everyone who actually join through you. I don't think you can find anything similar to what I'm doing here. Let me show you exactly how everything looks like, okay? So here is what you get. People come into this page. Your photo is going to be here. They opt in. The system collects their names and email address and start following up with them directly. Once they opt in, they will get prompted to a webinar replay where I conduct a very high webinar training that actually, gives a lot of value and teach people everything about online marketing. Plus, at the end of the training, I actually introduce the Legacy Builders program on your behalf. You get that on this page. You get to brand yourself. You put your photos here, okay, and your story. I already have a script written for you, so all you have to do is just copy and paste it. This page introduced the Legacy Builders program powered by the Authority Bridge system. So this is an Authority Bridge system. Now, without a bridge system, bringing in people directly to your offer or to the Legacy Builders program is not going to make you money. Why? Because everyone is using the same Legacy Builders sales funnel. You are going to stand out because you are actually sending them to your Authority Bridge system that actually educates them on your behalf, so you don't have to actually create any trainings. Okay, I'm doing that on your behalf. Okay, so this system comes with bonus number one, an Authority Bridge system. This is what you get. Okay, this is valued at $1,500 plus. Also, you get a website from me, and homepage, a contact us page, a booking call page, a privacy policy, terms and condition, custom sales funnel. And I will show you that website very soon. Here, stick around. So bonus number two, you will also get a personal Zoom session with me. So this way I can make sure that you all set up correctly. Okay. Bonus number three, you get my SEO, a proven traffic training that has made me over 6 figures online, absolutely free. And bonus number four, you will also get access to a private area. You get a step-by-step video tutorial. You can set the whole thing up the same day, but I'm actually offering right now an extra bonus where I jump on a Zoom call with you and set everything up for you, like I did here exactly with one of the clients here. Okay. This is a coming soon bonus. You are going to get a crash course on how to master your on-camera presence and presentation skills. Very important, skill. Bonus number five, use my bonus as yours. So you get to share everything you see here with anyone who purchased through you, which actually increase your conversion. Now, I have a fast action bonus going on right now. Depends on when you're watching this video. This might end very soon. Depends on, when you're watching this video, because this is summer and I'm traveling right now. So I cannot just do it for everyone. I will actually set up the whole business for you on a Zoom call. Simple as that. Okay. You get exact system. Look how beautiful this is. Your photo will be here, not my photo. All the disclaimers, all the footer, everything here will be yours instead. So people watch, actually, they come in from the social media, maybe they watch it, they opt into your system, they watch the webinar. This system takes them straight to Legacy Builders Program sales page. Also, I have changed it a little bit. It's not the same page that everyone get. I have added a few things to it, like the fast action bonus included here that no one has. You will have the same exact system. Okay, the step one, step two, step three, and I have also a demo video here for everyone for you. This is very high converting, so people click on the button, it will take them to purchase the Legacy Builders program. Now, I just launched it recently. I was actually shocked by the conversion, although I haven't promoted much. $900 came in next day. Another $900 came in here. This is happened on complete autopilot, so it's already working. The reason why I know it works and it converts high is because I've done this so many times before. I have made over 6 figures online doing the exact system strategy. anything you want to sell, if you want to sell a coaching program or a course online, you need to have your bridge system, okay, in place to brand you. You cannot send people directly to the offer. Plus, you need to have solid bonuses that crashes everyone out there, and it has to convert high. This checks everything for you, okay? Instead of getting lost online, I have already made sure that you are all set up from day one. Actually, you can get up and running if you want to within less than 48 hours with everything. So, with that being said, if you want to get everything I just showed you, plus the fast action bonus, the Zoom call with me so I can set up the whole business for you, make sure to click the link below this video. Now, inside this bonus number one, just itself, is valued at $1,500. Not only you get the authority bridge system, the funnel that I have created for you, you also get a custom branded website. Let me show you actually how that looks like here. This website itself is worth, if I'm going to build it for anyone, I have to charge $3,000 for it, okay? Because it's a lot of work. All right, you're gonna get exact clone of my website. Your photo is going to be here. You don't have to create any content. Everything is already created for you. Just replace your photos and your story, and everything is already done for you, my friend. Okay, make you stand out. Also, not only you have a sales funnel that you can send people to, you also have your own first and last name, like in my case, my adamshamsin.com. Okay, this is so important in online marketing because people check you out. It gives you authority, it gives you trust. If you're gonna look professional online, you're gonna have it. You gotta have it all. A professional website, plus a sales funnel for your business, like the Authority Bridge system. Okay, and everything has to be linked together. Like this one here, for example, you can see it. It's already, if I click on access free training, when people come to this website, they see your photo here, they see, what you do. They can actually access the training from here. If they click access training, it will take them to your Authority Bridge system. Do you understand what I'm saying? They can opt in from here, and that system will take over from there. All right. So go back to the website. Somebody wants to book a call with you or free strategy call with you. They can actually click here and you can send them over to, it will be your calendar here. So they can book a call with you. Everything is on autopilot. So there is also a contact us page at the bottom of this website. See contact us page here. It will take them to a page where your photo will be here and contact information. All your social media, by the way, your YouTube, your Facebook, your Instagram, everything is centralized here. Not only that, I'm actually giving you also the terms and conditions and all the legal stuff for this website. Everything is actually connected nicely. Your business now is in sync. Why do I spend so much time and energy to create everything, like all these websites, the sales funnel, the bridge system, recording the webinars, recording videos, recording training? Why do I do that? The reason why is because people work with people. People buy people. They don't buy actually, products. If you go to another video right now, any YouTube videos out there, you're not gonna see anything similar to this. I bet you. If you see anything better than what I'm offering right now, please let me know. I'm very interested. I don't think so. Okay. And this already proven to work, proven to make sales, generate sales on a complete autopilot. Okay. So if I'm gonna add all these bonuses, starting with bonus number one, the Authority Bridge system, plus the website and all the pages that I have created, and you're gonna get everything for free. This itself is $1,500 value. Then bonus number two, the personal Zoom session. No one is offering personal Zoom session. I'm the only one who's doing that. I'm setting the business up for you as well. Okay, that's valued at $500 at least. Proven traffic training. I will actually on a Zoom. I will show you how to get free traffic. You don't have to spend money online to get traffic. Trust me on that. Okay. So this system is already automated. Once someone opt in, believe me, it's magic. That's valued at 500, and bonus number 6 is coming soon, valued at 500, and bonus number 5. This is insane. Imagine you have a whole complete system, okay, that actually delivers everything for you on your behalf. And not only that, you can actually share all the bonuses and all the benefits with anyone who purchased the Legacy Builders program from you as well. Okay, so total value here. Make sure to take advantage of the fast action bonuses if it's still available. Depends on when you're watching this video. Your total value right now is $5,482. Believe me, this is not just a number I'm throwing here. Normally, I do private, clients, business coaching and consulting. And when I build stuff for my clients, I charge them. This will cost them between $5,000 and $10,000 just to build, sales funnels for them that converts. Also build their websites. And they have to actually create all the videos. They have to record all the videos. Here, in this case, I've never done anything like this. I'm doing it for the Legacy Business Program because I know many people are interested in this done for you offers, but they don't have the correct, right marketing assets in place. They have to actually create it themselves in order to get results and get sales. $900 per sale is amazing. 100% profit is amazing if you have the right system in place and your right coach and the right mentor with you. So it depends on you who you're buying it from. Basically, this is what it's all about. You can buy it from anyone. It's the same price, but is that person you are buying it from, is he worth the money that you're going to give him? I mean, think about it. You are going to pay $900 no matter what if you are going to purchase the Legacy Builders program. Don't you think it's worth it to purchase it from someone who actually can set the whole thing up for you and actually brand you and give you a one-on-one training and mentorship, plus give you the whole sales funnel and branding, plus a website, plus all that, and get you set up within 48 to 72 hours, ready to actually take sales right away? Or would you rather go with someone who just randomly give you random pages and random things? Because I've checked out all the bonuses on YouTube. Ridiculous what people are giving out. It's outdated stuff. So with that being said, use the link below this video. Go ahead and sign up and check everything out for yourself, because when you opt into my system, you will get to see everything yourself. And make sure you watch that webinar video, by the way, because this is gonna open up your eyes, a little bit, and see what you are getting. Plus, you get to check all the bonuses. Just click the link, purchase it. I will actually receive a notification directly from the system that you actually came in, and then we can get to book a Zoom call if it's still available, by the way, the fast action bonus. So with that being said, be careful out there. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.